Hi, so we're starting a CAT 26 crash course, which will be held online as well as in the classroom at Mumbai. So it will be conducted by me, Patrick. I'm a six-time CAT 100% rider, and Rochelle, who has been training students for entrance exam for last 25 years. Right. So we have been there in the MBA entrance space at 25 years, training students. A lot of our students every year get into top IIMs like ABC. So in CAT, we have full course. We have a 100% batch mentorship course. So if you're interested, you can contact us. Current courses for CAT includes Crashcourse. We do have a mentorship course where you will do the basics, but we'll teach you the advanced level. We have a specific course for DLR and mathematics if you're interested, right? So the whole crash course basically involves 150 plus hours of live lectures. We'll cover the basics, we'll cover the syllabus, we'll also give you revision, a lot of things. Recordings of all the topics will be provided. We'll give you one-to-one mentoring also as to how to go about preparing, what to do, and how to go about this one. You'll get 30 full and mock cat mocks, section test, topic based test. You also will get 600 plus videos covering the entire syllabus and videos for practice. Soft copy of notes will be provided, doubt solving sessions, and whatever is required for cracking the examination will be provided. I mean, lectures taken by me, so I've already cracked the exam number of times, so I know how to go about helping you. So we'll try to provide you individual mentoring and guide you to give you best shot for the examination. Right? So how to prepare? We'll also give you feedback regarding mock strategy and the best methods that will help you get the best results. That's what our focus will be. How to enroll? You can contact us on 9821314788 or go to prep.patrickandred.com or email us at support@coinacademy. Right? If you're interested, do contact us. Thank you.